This is an instructional video on how to set the calibration for your surf gates on your 2015 through 2018 Malibu boats with Surfgate control. First, we start by turning on the ignition. After we turn on the ignition, you will press settings. You go into your settings. You're going to go halfway down until you get to Surfgate. You're going to press Surfgate, and this is going to be the screen you have. In this screen, with the different settings you'll have a service mode and you'll have a calibration mode. The calibration mode is to tell the surf gates where the in position is so that it can record it. The service mode is to push both surf gates out so you can remove the rear swim step, or you can check the functionality of the surf gates themselves by seeing how they open up. If you call into our shop, there's two things that we're going to have you do. The first thing we're going to have you do is we're going to ask you to put it into service mode and press begin. What it's going to do is it's going to pull the surf gates out. Now you can see the surf gates were out. We are finished with this. We know that the surf gates themselves are actually working to open, so the motors themselves are probably okay. So we're going to go ahead and end this. What that's going to do is going to bring the surf gates back to the stowed position, and service mode is over. The computer system on your Malibu boat needs to know where the surf gates are at any time. If they're in, they need to know that they are in. If they are extended, they need to know that they're extended. So what this system does is you push calibration to begin, and it will pull the surf gate rams in, and you'll hear an audible noise from the surf gates causing them to pull in. After you have confirmed that that has happened, you then come forward and press end on the calibration, and your calibration is complete. At this point, you will operate your surf gates like you normally would. Please be advised that your surf gate will open at 7 miles an hour, and it will close itself over 14 miles an hour. If you are not going 7 miles an hour, or you are exceeding 14 miles an hour, the gate will not come in and it will not go out. So you must be in the range of 7 to 14 miles an hour.